Here's a 1962 Lincoln. Came in a year ago, November. Was stripped right down to the frame. Most of the framing, the wood framing on the trailer was all rotted. We saved the skins, all the windows. Also the interior panels and doors. I was able to use a lot of that. A few little things. We had to change. The door was a write-off on this, so I made the door. It's got a backup camera on the back here. Propane tank is on the back of the trailer. The stove and everything is just inside here, so it made sense to put it there. And we also utilized the tongue for a nice storage box. It's got on-demand hot water. Used a rumble trunk off of old Model A or Model T to use as a storage box. Customers had this logo made up for the front. There is a new roof on it. That piece of metal is new. The trunk I had refurbished. It was pretty beat up. Customer got a real nice Lincoln logo for it. Off the side here, we have your solar hookup, and there's a switch here for the outside running lights when you're parked, if you want those turned on. So that clicks those on. The electrical system is pretty extravagant. We're 4 lithium batteries, 3,000 watt inverter, automatic switching unit for shore power to the charger, solar controller in there as well. We had to rebuild all of these humps, and all this metal on the back is all new. We made custom tail lights for it. And this little table outside all folds up and fits in behind the fridge. They wanted to have a separate little dinette sitting area, because the table does collapse down and make into a permanent bed, so this could be their breakfast. Get up and have their breakfast without having to change the bed around. And then porch lights, if we added those in, if you didn't notice those. Both sides, the switches are just inside the door for that. And as I said earlier, all the door panels, or the original doors refurbished that were in the trailer, or the paneling that was in the trailer, I reused. The exterior walls, that's new beech. Pre-way stove, all refurbished and painted. This thing looks like brand new inside. They really come up really, really well. Spice rack. Tap set the customer had picked out. We've got a Wave 3 radiant heater. And as I said, outside that small table sits just inside here, and then where the green cushions are, they can use that as a little dinette for a 2-seater. The table folds down into a bed, and that becomes, and could be left as a fairly permanent bed, unless you had more than a couple people in here, and then you could set it back up like that. Original doors for the front cabinets. The front framework's all new. Everything, or the front framework of the cabinet is original, and the rest of it's new. This is a Bluetooth speaker and radio. Underneath of that, you can see just a little tray here. That's a breakfast tray for bed and breakfast. Looking around this side, there's some storage. In behind this cabinet, you've got your inverter switch, bathroom light, new fridge that we put an old Frigidaire handle and logo on to make it look old. And that's just a 110 fridge running off the either shore power or the inverter when you're hooked up. And then inside this cupboard, a microwave, two MaxxAir fans with automatic rain sensors, fan opens and close automatically. They also have blinds in them as well, which is kind of a nice feature. And then as you saw last week, I posted the bathroom on this fella. This was a challenge to build. Well, it's all aluminum. 2-part composting toilet. Shower with a couple different holders. One for when they're traveling and one to use when they're showering. And kind of weird. This is a nice skylight. Oh, this opens up. Right open. There's a couple different settings in it and lock shut. And they're picking this up tomorrow afternoon and headed straight out to Rondeau Provincial Park to go camping this weekend. Give it its maiden voyage. 1962 Lincoln, completely rebuilt.